Good morning, class 6. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the third video lecture of the chapter Changes Around Us. In this chapter, we have discussed till now reversible and irreversible change. What is reversible change? Change in which original substance can be obtained by reversing the condition is called reversible change. For example, folding of paper is a reversible change. We have discussed irreversible change in which the original substance cannot be obtained by reversing the condition is called irreversible change. Okay. For example, cutting of paper, that is also example of irreversible change. On the basis whether the change is taking place fast or slow. So, slow or fast change. As the word says, slow change, the change that take place slowly and it uses and it consume more time to complete is called slow change. Fast change, change that take place fast enough and it complete in very small fraction of time is called fast change. Okay. Example of slow change. Example of slow change. Rusting, जंग लगना. लोहा में जंग एक दिन में नहीं लग जाता है. इट इज अ स्लो प्रोसेस. इट टेक प्लेस स्लोली. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज growth of a plant. Growth of plant is also not a slow change, means it is not a fast change. It do not take plant एक दिन में तो बड़ा नहीं हो जाता. It is slow change. Okay. Ripening of fruit. Fruit का पकना. It is also a slow change. Fast change. Example, melting of ice on flame. बर्तन में आइस लेके उसको अगर चूल्हा पर रख देंगे तो वो जल्दी हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस इज ए फास्ट चेंज. बर्निंग of matchstick. Okay. Bursting of crackers. These are the example of slow and fast change. Okay. Next is a change during which heat is given out or taken out. So, is there heat given out or taken in? So, reversible, irreversible, one method of classification of change, whether the reversible or not. Okay. One other method of classification of changes is slow or fast change. Another method of classification means grouping the changes is whether heat is given out or not, or heat is taken in or not. Okay. So on this basis, whether heat is given out or not, two type of changes are there. One is exothermic change. A change during which heat is given out is called exothermic change. A change during which heat is given out, or you can say evolved. is called exothermic change. घर में चूना का पेंट होता है कभी, तो वो चूना का पत्थर आता है, उसको बोलते हैं क्विक लाइम. When you drop that quick lime in water, the container become very hot because it is releasing heat, it is giving out heat. So such type of changes is called exothermic change. A change during which heat is given out is called exothermic change. Example, क्विक लाइम. क्विक लाइम घर में चूना पत्थर जो आता है प्लस वाटर. When you add water, then the quick lime will change into slaked lime. Quick lime will change into slaked lime plus heat. Heat will given out. बाहर हीट निकलेगा, बर्तन गर्म हो जाएगा. So this process is called slaking of lime. So if someone asks you what is exothermic change, a change during which heat is given out is called exothermic change. Example, slaking of lime is the example of exothermic change. Okay. Next is endothermic change. A change during which heat is taken in is called endothermic change. A change during which heat is taken in is called endothermic change. Is called endothermic change. Example, have you ever drink glucose water? Take water and add glucose in it. When you add glucose in this, the glass become little bit cold because it is taking in the heat of the water and the water is becoming cold. Okay, so such changes is called endothermic change. Example, glucose dissolved in water is the example of endothermic change. So today we have discussed slow change, fast change. We have discussed some example, and two or more thing we have discussed: exothermic change and endothermic change. Change during which heat is given out is called exothermic change, and change during which heat is taken in is called endothermic change. So one small topic, one small thing that I have to discuss. Someone in the class had asked, sir, what is chemical reaction? Means what is chemical change? To understand, make you understand that, I will explain. Chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, a substance called A react with substance called B to form substance C and D. This is the example of chemical reaction. In this, these two which react together is called reactant, and these two, the new substance formed is called product. So in a chemical reaction, one substance react with another substance to form new substance is called chemical reaction. Same thing goes with the chemical change. when one substance react with other substance to form new substance is called chemical change. For example, quicklime. Just now we have discussed quicklime react with water to form slaked lime. So this is the example of chemical change or chemical reaction. This is also an example of exothermic change, but we can keep there in this that chemical reaction also taking place. You know photosynthesis. You know, in photosynthesis what we know, CO2 will react with water in presence of sunlight to form carbohydrate plus oxygen. This is the process of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis what we know, this is, for example, this is A react with B to form C and D. So this is also a chemical reaction in which CO2 react with water to form carbohydrate or glucose and oxygen. So this is the example of chemical reaction. Same thing, I am saying chemical reaction. You can also say chemical change. So these things, chemical change and physical change, we will discuss in coming video in detail. Yesterday just I briefly explained you so that when you read your book you don't feel confused. Okay, if still someone having any problem, you can ask in the morning. Thank you.